preparing pan-fried gnocchi with prawns, chorizo, and cherry tomatoes. I just thought I'd go with something that I know works. And I hope that the judges love it. And I hope my gnocchi comes out right. That's the only thing that could go wrong. But otherwise, everything else, spot on. Fingers crossed. Yeah.
What have you prepared for us?
I have made you a pan-fried potato gnocchi with prawns, chorizo, and cherry tomato.
Wow, that sounds flavorful.
Sounds lovely.
So tell us a bit about yourself.
I'm actually a professional Latin American dancer. And now I have a little baby at home, so I've just decided to change my career.
Let's hope you've put your best foot forward.
Let's hope so.
Is this gnocchi going to make me want to dance?
I pray it does.
I found it a very difficult dish to eat. Everything is too large. You're having to spend too much time cutting the chorizo smaller. Same with the gnocchi. You should be able to pop a gnocchi into your mouth, not have to chew it for 5 minutes. While tasty, I found it very dry. Perhaps what you should have done is cut the tomatoes in half. So when you saute them, all that juice from the tomato comes out and you have this natural moisture in the dish. I'm afraid I'm not blown away by it, so it's a no from me.
Andrew, what did you think of the dish?
Mary, as in dancing, food is very similar. You have to prepare the steps properly before the dance actually happens. In this case, I'd like to see you dance some more in the kitchen. That's a definite yes from me.
You know, you got 1 no and 1 yes.
Yep.
I must say I disagree with Pete and say that I loved your dish. So it's a big yes for me. So come get your apron.
Well done, Mary.
Well done.
Thank you so much.
Are you dancing?
Oh. Thank you.
Nice one.
Yay!
Kathy, the curry alone, it's one of the best that I've ever tasted. So for me, it's going to be a yes.
I'm excited, I'm overwhelmed.
I think for me there's enough skill there for me to want to see more. So I'm going to venture a yes.
So it's a definite yes from me.
Alexa, congratulations.
That dish was awesome. That's a definite yes from me.
I'm feeling great. I'm actually such an adrenaline rush. I'm stoked, I'm pumped. Ready to cook again. I'm actually amped to go and cook now.
As more aprons are snatched up, can a financial analyst from the revenue service claim one for himself?
Always loved cooking. It's always been a passion of mine. Not too many people believed I could make a career out of this and then prove to the world that I'm as good as I think I am. Yeah, so now I'm hoping the recipe that I've decided to go with is gonna wow the judges.
Hey, Ta.
Hey, Tara. I've prepared for you fresh pasta with prawns in a creamy sauce.
Did you make the pasta yourself?
Yes, I did, from scratch.
Careful with the knife. Now we see the skills. Tell us more about what you do for a living.
I work for SARS.
Okay.
I'm sorry about that.
So where does the passion for cooking come from?
It's just something that I was born with.
Yeah. Do you do a lot of cooking at home?
A whole lot.
Yeah.
Like I normally say to my wife, she's a very lucky woman because she never gets to do much cooking, do most of the cooking for her.
Dumi, you've got about a minute left, so you should think of finishing off and plating. Is the pasta okay?
I'm hoping so.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. I expect to get cooked pasta, but still al dente, melt in my mouth. Pete, what did you think?
I'm disappointed that we don't have a lunch break next so I can eat that bowl of pasta. So yes.
To get freshly cooked homemade pasta perfect is good enough for me, and that sauce is absolutely awesome. So well done. That was a great dish. It's a yes from me.
You're also gonna get a yes from me. 2 things that you did that I liked. You tasted your food, you checked on your pasta. Man, lovely dish. Come get this apron. You don't want that.
It's not good enough.
My man, nice one. Looking forward to a whole lot more.
Awesome. Well done.
Great stuff, Greg.
It's okay, you can scream.
Yes!